Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is an LED light strip. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they do mention how she has RGB light option on here, and you definitely connect it onto like Google Assistant and Alexa as well. And basically for the one that we got right here is a 65.6 feet long, so they provide guys two different rows in here. But I actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. Let's take everything out. So first thing we see inside right here, they do provide a cable that you can use to actually activate the product. Next thing right here, they provide guys some alcohol wipes. You can definitely use it to actually wipe down like the wall before you guys apply it on. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product right here. So you can see it actually comes with two different rows on here, but it is connected together. And basically for this side right here is where you guys will actually plug in the cable to actually activate it. And right here, you can see we do have the remote option. So you can definitely control it on here. Or if you don't control it on the app, you can definitely do that as well. So that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how it works first. Alright, so you basically want to plug it in right here. And once you guys plug it in, you can definitely see how it turn on right here. But let's turn it off for now. So definitely when you guys use the product, you do not want to actually use it when it's all tangled up like this. You definitely need to untangle it first. But just for this video, I'm going to do a quick test to show you guys how it works. And also if you can see the back part right here, they do have a 3M tape. So you can definitely use that to stick it onto the wall or somewhere if you guys want to. But basically for the product right here, they do have a built-in mic. So that way you guys actually use like the music mode on here. So if you guys want to actually play music, the actual light strip will actually follow the beat of the music, which is definitely pretty cool. If you guys want to change the different colors or the different patterns on here, you can basically press on this button right here. So I'm actually do a quick test to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so there's definitely a lot of different modes on here. Let me just connect it on the app first. So inside they do provide a user manual right here. If you guys turn the back part right here, you basically want to download the app right here. So I'm actually download the app right here first. So I basically want to turn on the product and I want to add it on here. So I want to click on add device and I want to click on the Bluetooth option on top. So once you guys click on the Bluetooth option, you can see it found the device right here. So we tap on it, you can definitely add the device on here. So it tells us to press the button one time. Alright, so we got connected. It tells you guys to connect it onto a 2.4 network. So I'm actually do that as well. Alright, so we got to connect it, you can see in the top part here. But it tells us to update the device. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we'll let it finish update and we'll come back and check on it in a second. Alright, so we just finished updating it. Let me actually test it out. So you can see this is basically what the app looks like once you guys finish downloading it. So definitely change to the music mode, different color options, DIY, and different scenes, etc. You can definitely increase or lower the brightness on here as well. So when I lower the brightness on here, this is how bright it can get. If you guys want to change the different colors on here, you definitely can do that as well. And the cool thing about this LED light strip is the fact that you guys actually control the segment on here as well. So let's say if you guys want this part right here to be yellow and this part right here to be blue, you can definitely adjust that on here, which is definitely pretty cool. And basically the way how you guys do that is right here in the color section right here. You can definitely adjust each different segment on here. And there's definitely a lot of different color options on here as well, and different scenes as well if you guys want to use that option. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to actually connect this onto like Alexa or Google Assistant, you can definitely do that as well. But that way you can actually get a hands-free experience when you guys actually use it. So I'm actually turn off the light to actually make it a little bit darker to show you guys what the product looks like first. Right, so it's much darker now. Let me try again. You can definitely see it actually looks pretty cool. And definitely change the different scenes, the colors, and everything on here. There's definitely a lot more options and functionality that's on here compared to other LED light strip, which is definitely pretty cool. So you can see the product right here definitely works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Not the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality LED light strip that you use to actually decorate your room or even like your computer or somewhere else. That is up to you guys. But definitely see the product here definitely works really well. If you guys want to use the remote right here, or if you guys want to use the app, you definitely can change all of that on here. So I definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.